Yes, Maria, what is the part? This is just take to us. Pick up. Yes, thank you very much. So, the reflective practice again is thinking what you did or what you did. By that, makapal na ba ang ating nakakulong tayo sa next chapter. Okay, for that, we will discuss. And then, what are those four sources of learning activities? Learning activities. Yes, very good. So, sources of learning activities data, summative assessment, formative, and then student feedback, observation, and teachers' notes. This is just. So let's move on to what is learner's test score. So it is a piece of information, usually a number, that conveys the performance of an examiner on a test. So for example, if you got 85 out of 100, so your test score is 85%. Yes, very good. So this means you answered 85% from that particular test. So, nakasagot ka na 85% of the test ay kung inasagot.
Wala no.
Okay, good. So,
Nagwala?
there are two ways on how to interpret the test score, which is the norm reference. So, again, learner's test score is a result or outcomes of assessment that measure a learner's performance, understanding, and skills in a particular subject or course. The two ways on how to interpret the test score. First is norm reference interpretation. So I want you to read generally.
Norm reference interpretation means that the score conveys meaning about the examinee with regard to their standing among other examiners.
Okay, what can you say about
Norm reference means that the score conveys meaning about siguro igual pareho.
Okay, thank you very much. So, in simple words, so norm reference interpretation, your score is compared to the other score of other students. So, for example, you got 85% in a math on a math test. So if if most students scored around 70%, so 70%, you got 85% of the test, 85% exam test of math subject, and then most of the students is 75%. So ikaw, mo nasa okay. So baligi o andi compare ang inyong score sa lain nga student. And then dito na yung basihan ko kapila mga or session. So criterion reference interpretation means, okay, I want you to read. Yes, I do. math test, then katong 85% mautoy basihan nga 85% sa content nga anang subject is yung nasabtan. So balik, ang norm reference interpretation kay kini ang ikumpara yung score dito sa laan ng student. So balik, ang iyang tutungan is your position. So again, katong example na ako ganina ko, ikaw may pinaka-highest, 85% mo ang kuha, and then your student is 75, so nakasa pinaka-highest. And then kung 85% mong kuha, and then ang imo ang classmates is nasa 90%, which means nakasa below. Sa criterion mo ang content, ang basihan na. Bisan pag na pinaka-highest nilo as long as ka nakakuan, ang ka score or 85% kulang tagaan ng test, mo na imo ang basihan. So, kanina nagbase na siya sa man, ito, ang main yes, sa content kayo mo ang na-understand na nga subject part. Yes. At then kanina, nagbase na siya sa so there are different types of test scores. So the first type of test scores is raw scores. So this is just simply your score. Yung score na nakuha ng mga subject. So, what is raw score? Yes, Maria.
Raw scores, the score without any sort of adjustment or transformation, such as the simple number of questions answered correctly.
Nakikagawin mo na kung ganun akong pilay mo na ko. For example, 90 out of 60 items mo ko is for 50 or 35. 50 mo ang raw score. Mo ang correct mo, ito yung ang. So, for example, kanina, mga student based na sa ilang grade 4, grade 8. So, number 1 sa quiz, ikuha na lang yung quiz mo siya kay 50 yung kuha. So, 50. And then, ikaduha is 40 yung kuha. And then, ikatulo kay 50. So, bali, turo na siya ka. First tanan. So, ang average of 3 papers kay 47. So, 50 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 3. So, equals 46 point. Basta, blah, 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 6 mo. So, bali, mura lang round off, mura lang siya 47. So, and then the average of best 2. Kung kinsay pinaka-highest na score direct. So, 50 plus 50 divided by 2, 50. So, overview of all the 100 standardized scores na siya. So, yung final score is 100. Wala siya scaling mo siya, pero wala siya. So, 47, more than half ng tingong mag-add. 37 plus 44 plus 47 divided by 3 equals 2. So, next is percentage. Ang kaduhang type of test score is percentage score. It is calculated by dividing the number of points earned by the total possible points and multiplying by 100. So, for example, it indicates the proportion of correct answers relative to the total possible score. For example, is sa test, nakakuha ka o 50 out of 60 items. So, 50 divided by 60 times 100. So, mo mo ang percentage score. So, example, 88 50, kaya nakuha by 49. So 49 divided by 50 times 100. So kung nagawa siya 98%. So meron na namin siya. Dari kay 60 out of 75. So 60 divided by 75 equals 0.8. So 0.8 times 100. So magawa din siya 80%. Kung ba